Chapter 6, Exercise 6.1, Sum 10. If cos theta by 1 plus sin theta is equal to 1 by a, then prove that a square minus 1 by a square plus 1 equal to sin theta. First you take the given statement, given cos theta by 1 plus sin theta is equal to 1 by a. So, first we'll start the problem with the given statement. We have to prove a square minus 1 by a square plus 1 equal to sin theta. First, find a squared alone. Here it's given 1 by a is this fraction. So, a is in the denominator. Just you take the reciprocal of this a, that is a by 1, a. At the same time, you take the reciprocal of this fraction also, 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Okay, find a squared, that is 1 plus sin theta the whole square divided by cos squared theta. See, for this problem, you need not expand this, you write this as it is, 1 plus sin theta the whole square. What I do, I write cos squared theta as an identity 1 minus sin squared theta. And this is a square minus b squared. So numerator you write just as it is. Denominator a square minus b square, 1 square minus sin squared theta. So 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. See this 1 plus sin theta the whole square 1 plus. So the whole expression I cancel, in the power I reduce 1. So you will get answer 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta. So just we got a squared as 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. But we need a square minus 1. A squared minus 1. That is 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta minus 1. So, take LCM 1 minus sin theta. The numerator will get 1 plus sin theta, just as it is, minus 1 into the denominator, 1 minus sin theta. Here I take 1 minus sin theta as LCM because the denominator for 1 we have 1, no denominator. So just 1 minus sin theta LCM. So you write the numerator as it is. But for this one, so no denominator means it is 1. So it goes here 1 minus sin theta times. So just you multiply this. So remove the bracket, 1 plus sin theta. 1 into 1, 1 minus 1 plus minus into minus plus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta. See, plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. You will get 2 sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. So just write as it is here this. Next step is denominator a square plus 1. So a squared plus 1. So we got a squared as 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. So 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta plus 1. So take LCM, this 1 minus sin theta. So write this numerator as it is, 1 plus sin theta plus just 1 into 1 minus sin theta, that is 1 minus sin theta. Plus sin theta minus sin theta gets cancelled. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 by 1 minus sin theta. So you have to find a square minus 1 by a square plus 1. You have to show this is sin theta. So I take a squared minus 1 by a square plus 1. A square minus 1 is 2 sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta by a square plus 1 we have got 2 by 1 minus sin theta. So here one fraction divided by the other means write the numerator fraction as it is 2 theta by 1 minus sin theta. Put into and write the reciprocal of the denominator 1 minus sin theta by 2. So 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta same. And this 2 gets cancelled, you will get sin theta. So this is your right hand side answer proved. Thank you.